mini class on how to do a reverse technique I show you in this video. First, something very monomer and acrylic powder from Legacy Nails. The shade I'm using is called Light Blush, and I'll start sculpting the reverse structure by creating the apex. Try to create a shape with a slight incline, thin in this area and higher towards the tip. Using the right pressure and angle, you'll achieve a thickness in this area of about 1 to 5 millimeters. Notice how it should look from the side with an upward angle. I recommend sealing the cuticle area with more translucent powder. That's why I use Coverpink acrylic powder from Legacy Nails. I accentuate the contact wall of the reverse using a black Beyond gel and will create certain effects to work another French that will duplicate the shape I made with the cover. I love how platinum glitter gel from Legacy Nails looks, so I placed it here. We seal with Smart Builder Clear Gel, and that's basically it. I love sealing these shiny structures with Pro Finish. Look how beautiful this result turned out.